This is the Bean Envy Milk Frother, and it works awesome. All you need to do is put in 2 AA batteries, and this is gonna whip your milk, as well as hot chocolate, powder shakes, and so much more. It has 19,000 revolutions per minute. Check it out. Look at it go. Powerful, right? And it also comes with this stand as well. Now this is in red, however they have other colors to choose from too. And this also has a stainless steel wand. And let me show you how easy it is to work. All you have to do is get your milk and then put it in for 10 to 30 seconds, dunking it periodically. Here it goes. Woo! Powerful, right? Whoa! So whipped. And now, let me pour it into the cup of coffee. Wow! Do you see how much foam this created? Wonderful. So beautiful. It feels like I'm at a coffee cafe. I feel like a barista. Now let me take a sip. I just had a milk mustache. This tastes so good. Absolutely love it. I was sent this from Bean Envy. Truly awesome, and would also make a great gift to give to somebody or to keep for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.